Today is a fan video. A Zalman Cool Innovations CNPS 10x Performa Black. I don't know nothing about fans. I just needed something that was solid, quiet, large, that doesn't get clogged up very quickly with dust. And I just googled Tom's Hardware best CPU fans or something like that and found out this model. And apparently it's quite popular, so let's see what you get in the box. You get user's manual, latest Intel NB compatibility, basically all sockets, all common sockets for consumer platforms. Socket AM4, that means I think it's also socket AM3, AM3 plus, if not even AM2, I'm not sure, but I think it's adaptable to most relatively recent sockets. They recommend to read the manual. Okay. I may not. This is a package of mounting adapter setting for different sockets. We'll open and see. And the fan, black anodized aluminum radiator. It's large, yeah, very large. It doesn't come with the applied thermal paste, which is, I guess, normal. The people who buy these products usually have their own choices. And 4 copper pipes. Copper, as you may know, has very high thermal conductivity. So these pipes are touching the CPU lid as well as the aluminum block, and they're integrated in the aluminum block, which and the pipes also of course go through, further spread it through these fins. And we have a 135 millimeter large and quiet turbine bladed fan, which is pushing a steady nice flow of air through these fins. And yeah, it looks like it will be very efficient and nearly silent. And for a CPU that I will be running well, the CPU has a TDP of 65 watts and it has eco mode, which limits the turbo boost use, so that the overall TDP is 45 watts. So for a 45 watt CPU, this kind of radiator is just super overkill, which is what I want and which is what I like. So let's open this and see what kind of adapters you get. Well, lots of stuff. The dreaded backplate. I hope I don't have to use it. I don't want to remove the motherboard anyway. But I'm reasonably hopeful that I may not have to use it for AM4. But we'll see. And yeah, that's basically it. That's what you get. I'm sure it will be very efficient.